Okay, we'll talk a little bit at the stern. If you look right directly in the middle here, that's your fire extinguisher port. So if you see smoke or anything coming from the engine area, just put the fire extinguisher in there, pull the trigger, and keep the fire from getting worse. We go up here to get the engine hatch open. Just pull the strap, and there we go. 4.3 liter MPI Mercruiser motor. Like I said before, it runs on regular gas. If you want to check the oil, dipstick right here. If you need to drain the block, you just unscrew this, like so, and that drains water from the block into the bilge. To the right of that, in this compartment, is access to the batteries and a cooler. Your battery switch is right here. It's in the off position now. Just turn it from 12 o'clock to the 6 o'clock position. Battery's on. Next, we go to the dash and talk about the instrumentation and everything up there.